a government and a system of governance in place.
West Jaintia Hills District observed International Day Against Drug Abuse with the theme, "The evidence is clear, invest in prevention." The day began at District Library Auditorium organised by District Social Welfare Office and Jowai City YMCA. Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District B.S. Solia attended as the chief guest. Other programs included one by District Legal Service Authority and Thomas Jones Senior College NSS unit and another at Jowai Police Station in Yaomusiang, organised by Superintendent of Police and Jowai OCS Manners in collaboration with MCSWA.
West Jaintia Hills District
chemical drugs, or alcohol also. Drugs very